Hello everybody, today we make a chicken diavolo. This is really spicy, oh yeah baby. For the recipe we got breast chicken and Thai chicken. And I put salt and black pepper. Now we got over here oregano. This is my homemade oregano. I got a dry basil. My oh yeah baby, this is really spicy, my pepper over here. We need the garlic. This is my homemade sauce, and this is wine. This is my wine. It's this one, 7 Stella. And we need the bowl to mix all together. Okay, first thing I want to chop this garlic. It don't gotta be really thin, okay? We chop a little bit to make it, got the chicken, it gotta be nice taste. And the garlic and my oil baby. Okay, now the garlic can go right over here in this bowl. Okay? Now we gotta put everything inside this bowl and mix. We started with my wine. So good. And we do this. Now we got the sauce. And we put it right together. Over here. We got the flake hot pepper. This is really spicy. So you don't like it too spicy, no use it too much. Maybe you don't use it at all. It's to you. You got dry basil. And we got the oregano. And now we need a little oil, a couple of tablespoons of oil. But I'll put it like this. It's 1, it's 2. Now we mix all together. Now I'm not using no salt over here, cause my chicken I did already salt and black pepper. Okay, now this is the chicken we gotta put in this plastic bag over here and we gotta marinate it. And now we take the chicken and we put 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces the chicken, and now we got all the marinated this, and we put it right inside over here. Let me clean up a little bit. Cause this is gotta be diavolo. In Italy we call it diavolo. In English it's a devil. Alright, now make sure the seal really good. Take a little air out and we seal. And we give a little okay, now this you gotta go in the refrigerator. It can be 1 hour in the refrigerator. But if you want really good taste, it can be 1 hour in the refrigerator. Okay, now this is done in the refrigerator. And this is the one I did already. And this is 8 hours. Okay? And look at this. Oh, it smells the devil. It smells really devil. It's so spicy. Okay, now we take the chicken out of the bag and make sure that this you gotta drain a little bit. That's why I use this. Okay, like oh, you look how beautiful breast chicken, boy. Okay, now we leave it drain really good. Now you see over here. Boy, what I gotta do with it? Not think this guy gotta throw away. You not throw away this is the best. I got this little pots. And what do? You put on the pots, this you gotta cook on the pots after one of the chicken is ready. Boom, you put it right on the top. Okay, look at that. Really good. And now make sure, Pasquale, this bag you gotta go in the garbage, okay? Okay, Nothing can do over here. This one, that's a bag. You put something inside, you jump yourself. All right. Now I put it right over here on this dish, like that. Okay. And now we got a little bit more. Make sure to not throw away, Pasquale. All right. We gotta go on the stove. Okay. Now you see, before I put the chicken, I want to use a little oil with a brush over here like that. Not too much, only brush like this. The chicken is no stick. Look, you don't need to really line. Look, just like that. Okay, now what do? We do the chicken. And the chicken, we start with the breast over here, and I put one piece over here, and one piece over here. Now, the thigh. Okay, now, make sure. You see, I got this on medium. Okay, you know one, okay, this is the chicken, you gotta cook really slow. Okay? And I put on the medium. Both sides, it's a medium. If this one time you start to cook a nice, beautiful color, you turn on the other side. Because this is nice, you gotta cook for a little while. Okay? You know, the breast, it's big. The chicken thigh, it's a big too. Okay, see, I put on medium, and once in a while, what you do, you turn, and you make sure it's in a nice. Gotta cook really, really slow. Do not rush. See, you want good food, and the cook good, they gotta be like this, on medium. And now this is the sauce I gotta make it. I want the chicken to cook, you put this on the top. I put this on, they gotta be really, really low. Okay, take a time. I want the chicken, it's ready. It make a nice thick, it go right on the top. Okay, now everything gets done. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Look at the breast chicken and the thighs. This is gotta be really, really delicious. Okay, now we got the sauce to bring over here. And this sauce, it's really spicy. Make sure, you know. But see, you don't want to spice, it's okay. You can use not too spice. But now, I want to put like my breast chicken right over here. Look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. And now we need the devil sauce on the top. Oh, this is really, really spicy. I like it. I know, everybody know, I like spice anyway. I like my oh yeah baby. And now I want to cut a couple of pieces for me. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. Now we put over here. And you know why? I want to put a little bit more right on the top over here. Okay. And let's taste my chicken. Devil chicken. It's a really, really good taste. Make this dish and you let me know. It's delicious. Thank you very much, and we see next recipe. Thank you.